We are given a rectangle with a base of 34 units. Inside this rectangle, 3 semicircles are placed side by side in such a way that the first semicircle touches the top side of the rectangle. The second semicircle is positioned 5 units below the top side, and the third semicircle is placed 8 units below the top side of the rectangle. And our goal is to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Can you find it? Alright, let's solve this together. We are told that the base of the rectangle measures 34 units. The perimeter of a rectangle is calculated using the formula 2 times the sum of base and height. But here, the height is unknown. So let's assume the height of the rectangle is x units. That means the perimeter of this rectangle will be equal to 2 times the quantity of 34 plus x units, right? Let's mark this as equation 1 and keep it aside. Now look carefully. This is the height of the rectangle, which means this is also x units, right? Now let's draw the radius of the first semicircle. The radius of this semicircle is equal to the height of the rectangle, which is x units. That means this is x units, and this is also x units, correct? Next, let's draw the radius of the second and third semicircle and look carefully. For the second semicircle, we are told that the distance from the top of the rectangle to the arc of this semicircle is 5 units. This means the radius of the second semicircle is x minus 5 units. That means this is x minus 5 units, and this is also x minus 5 units, correct? Similarly, for the third semicircle, the distance from the top of the rectangle to the arc is 8 units. This means the radius of the third semicircle is x minus 8 units. That means this is x minus 8 units, and this is also x minus 8 units, correct? Now look, if we add up all of these radii side by side, they should equal the base of the rectangle, which is 34 units. So we can write x plus x minus 5 plus x minus 5 plus x minus 8 plus x minus 8 equals 34. Simplifying this, we get 6x minus 10 minus 16 equals 34. Now adding 10 and 16 to both sides gives us 6x equals 60. Dividing both sides by 6, we find x equals 10. So the height of the rectangle is 10 units. Substituting x equals 10 back into our perimeter formula, we have perimeter equals 2 times the quantity of 34 plus 10, which equals 2 times 44, or 88 units. And that is our answer. Pretty cool, right? But wait, before you go, I have a quick bonus challenge for you. Can you find the perimeter of this same rectangle in terms of variables x, y, and z instead of actual numbers? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who can figure it out. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new, do not forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-bending math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.